Yeah, good day, traders. How you guys doing today? Quick one market breakdown for you guys, starting with the GXY. We can see we have massive push to the upside, and we are already trading around the over both 33. We are outside of the 70 on our RSI, which means we are way overbought. And trust me, you don't want to buy when market is overbought. So there's no way we have to be looking for buy opportunities. Yeah, we're looking for buy opportunity. We want to buy at a very low point as we can. So what I'm looking on GXY, we might get a little bit of selling opportunity using a line chart. If we get a break of that structure right there, and if we get a candle that closes below, that means we want to start selling off, before we probably continue from that zone to the upside. So it's something we'll be looking at for once we get a 4-hour candle closure below that area of support right there. We'll be looking to sell GDP JPY. I'm looking to sell GDP JPY earlier on, but then I had a pending order right here using line charts. Just a retest of that zone, and also half of this particular candle right here that we've seen a massive impulsive breakout. But then I'm not in the trade yet, I'm not tagging yet, and I have to delete it because I set it in case it happened overnight. So I've been watching it now. This is not really my candle for an entry. Euro JPY, we are looking to sell Euro JPY, but then you can see price is just moving sideways for now. 2-hour time frame, you can see we are moving sideways. So what do you do as a trader? You want to sell at high, or you wait for a breakout of that zone. So we've seen a support level right there, and our price is respecting now. So if we get a strong breakout, I'll be looking at 4-hour candle. In that area, we get a break out of that zone. That's when I'll be looking to break short on this guy. Or I would love to see price correct all the way back to even here to sell. This is the zone we're looking at also. Like if we get that correction, we're looking to sell. So just having patience with this one. AUD USD, I'm looking to go short at the retest of that zone. I want to see what will happen around that zone, but then it has to be 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we have a massive daily breakout of structure right here. We broke out of this key level, so we might get a continuation, but we have to come retest that zone as seen right here. So let's see what's going to happen. Price action, be going up, but no massive candle yet. So eyes on that one. Euro USD, we'll sell just like the DXY. So we need some deep correction. So why I want to take AUD USD, I'm looking at Euro USD as well, because we formed more like a resistance right there, and this is something I wanted to show you guys in terms of reverse catching reversal. I'll show you some example. Something like this, like you see, we had this right here. When we already oversold, so we had this. So possibly we'll be looking for a breakout, strong candle, then will continue to go up. But then it didn't happen. Instead, what the price broke to the low. So keep doing that until we had this particular one that we broke. So we broke through this one, and if I switch to candle, you see that we had a strong, massive 4-hour candle right there. So that's telling us that yes, we are ready to go to the upside. Exactly what we're looking at right here, we had our first resistance right there. You can see when price rejected and then come back. So if we have a strong 4-hour candle closure above that zone, let's say we have a candle like this. Yeah, we had candle like this that closed above 4-hour, and it's something I'll be looking to take. Definitely take the buy on that. It's counter trend, but then we had confirmation already. We've already oversold, and I'll be looking to see price come back to around this zone right here. So it's a good one, but patient pays. You have to wait for it. If we get a candle that breaks this low, that means price is not even ready yet. As soon as we break this low, you know that yes, we are not ready yet. So we need to create another resistance on the line chart, and then we look to see if we break. for reversal. It makes no sense selling at this low price now. Price already gone way too far. So have that in mind. USD card, we already dropped in already. Nothing really that I'm looking on USD card, nothing is being clear for me right here now as USD card on 4-hour time frame is inside of this phase that anything can happen up, down, up, down. So I have nothing for now, but if we have a strong engulfing, it's a buy. If we have a strong sell down, and you can see right here, we don't have any structure to bank on yet. But if we create a structure and then we break that particular structure, then I'll be looking for more push to the downside. But for now, we just have to chill on that. GBP USD vice versa on Euro USD, we are looking to sell at this high, but then we can still get a buy trade to the upside. Let's see how we break that structure. Looking at the line chart, you can see we created a resistance already right there, as you can see. So if we get that strong candle that will close above 4-hour time frame, and we'll be looking to go along with that candle, stop loss below that candle, and we'll catch the correction of this and be looking to sell at this high. Very key level that we'll be looking to sell off, but then definitely that might happen from next week, or maybe we'll get the monthly high, it's the last day of the month. I'm looking at that. So gold, I sold gold yesterday. I left with 17 pips, but it still dropped more, but I was satisfied with that because I know the area where we are in the dollar index, so kind of risky. And how I took my gold trade yesterday was simply the retest of the broken structure. Retest of this structure. Simple. Online chart, you get to see it's clearer, and immediately that candle closes on 4-hour. I took the trade, stop loss above, and then I made like 70. I left with 70 pips. So it was a busy day. I was not really monitoring the chart, so I was satisfied with that. So what I'm looking at on gold now, going back to the line chart, you can see we are more like correcting to the downside. You can see we are not really creating impulse, just like that, and you can see we are correcting. So we still in a bearish environment, as long as we are still trading under this particular candle, strong candle, we are still in a bearish environment, but this is not my candle for entry, so I'll wait to see the next candle light close to know what I'm going to do next. If we break, I'm looking to buy. So this one, I took this one yesterday also, somewhere around here, but I left very early as well. Mass 100, just the retest of that structure. So we want to see what price is doing now. Can't really tell. We have lows, which is more like a double bottom. If we want to correct, it's best we do this, and then we have a low that is what higher than this previous low. In the situation where we have lows like this, most cases is a reversal, is a double bottom, and you have to be aware of that. So I'm looking at that structure right there, that particular structure, and if we get a breakout, then I'm looking to go long to get a breakout of that structure. But then we are still in a bearish environment, have that in mind. SDUSD, same thing with Euro USD. Can't say yet, we already oversold. So if we get that breakout, I'll be looking for a reversal to see where we're going to correct from. But then my Euro USD is clearer to me. This one, I'm waiting for the breakouts. We have to wait. GPNZ, I was looking to buy it, but then, I was looking to buy around that retail zone, the key level right there. We just reach off that area and then miss that one. USD, JPY, nothing really for now. Still in a bullish environment. I want to see how price is going to react off that high right there. So we're just moving for now. Way too overbought, but then we had strong candles also, and this is more like a consolidation phase. So if we want to buy, we have to retest that zone. If we want to sell, we need a strong bearish candle like this, engulfing a reversal or a pin bar like this one right here. So AUD card, I'm looking to sell AUD card. I'm going to sell AUD card with stop loss above that candle. That candle, we retested a zone. I'm going to use a very small lot size because we are not really moving impulsively, and Very small lot size right there, because we are not, it's messy. It's messy right now. I'm just going to let this one pass. That's all for now. GJ, I'm looking to sell at the retest, but it didn't really get it. So I'll be looking to see what price is going to do. We already have a resistance, something I'll call a resistance on GJ right now, as you can see. So it's not just we looking at this zone anymore. We have a new fund resistance. This is a way I'll teach you guys more on this webinar. So we have this resistance now regardless. So we can't be paying more attention to this right now, since we have a new structure that we have to pay attention to. And just like, I told you guys, you've seen right here what happened. We broke, we retested, we won. We broke another resistance right there, go to the candle, as you can see. We broke, came back to retest. We didn't break below that particular candle. This would have been my entry, this strong candle right here. So looking to buy from there, stop loss 30 pips. And you can see how 3-4 power candle would have made you over 100 pips, 160. Amazing. So same thing is happening right here on GDP JPY. And you can see we have this resistance for the fact that price failed. Everything happened for a reason. You have to study candlestick to understand. Right here, these two candles, price failed to, break right there. You can see it clearly on the line chart right there. So if we get a strong breakout of that zone, then we'll be looking to buy. If we get a strong breakout now, a candle that closes above, boom, guys, we are buying. We'll be looking to buy GPUSD. Very simple, and maybe I might not have the chance to send it to you guys, but keep your eyes on it. Okay, forget the next candle breaks this candle, closes above, strong, strong candles such as this lovely candle. I love to see, candles like this right there. Man, we'll be looking to go long, easy as ABC. So I'll keep you guys updated, and I'm going to teach you guys on our live webinar next week. And success. All the best, guys.